Python, check if a letter is in a list. It does return true, but I am not sure if this is the right way to do this. Maybe there's a better way? In the second elif statement, is Python going through all the elements in the list if the first one doesn't contain the letter? The function must be recursive.
Here is your error. So in find underscore letter lst0 column, you use list slicing, but on lst equals O, hello, 1, line, you override it again and you always execute your search on the first element of the list.
I think the most Pythonic approach would be to use. The beauty of this is that it iterates over LSD and returns as soon as one of the words in that list contains letter. Also, it doesn't need to recurse. This returns false instead of 0 if LSD is empty, though, unlike your program, but since false evaluates to 0 anyway, and vice versa, that's not really an issue.
Since you need a recursive version. Short version. More explicit version. Even more explicit version. Note that I leave out a couple of else column because they are not necessary after a return statement. If you don't want to test for a letter in a string, but just for equality, replace let in ... by let equals ...
Here is a one-line lambda. Data. Output 1. Note. Any checks if any true, then true, otherwise false, so without the any we get. List map lambda x column true if n in strx else false, lst. Output 2.